Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and you're getting a 10-2 error code on the digital display, or if you don't have a digital display, it will still indicate this error via the blinks on the machine. So if it's blinking 10 times and then it'll blink 10 times, pause for 2 seconds, and then blink twice, and then pause for 5 seconds and repeat that cycle of 10 blinks, 2 blinks. This is the 10-2 error. And what's happening there is that the vent wax motor is having some kind of problem. So this could be a physical problem with the vent motor or an electrical problem with the vent motor. So the first thing to do is just to check it and make sure that there's nothing physically wrong with it. And then if there's nothing physically wrong with it, check the wiring and see if there's any wiring that has become frayed or damaged or corroded or anything like that. And then if that doesn't do it, you can actually buy a full vent wax motor assembly and just replace the whole thing. That should get rid of your error. So anyways, I hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.